Discover the incredible benefits of playing pickleball. This fast-growing sport offers a perfect blend of physical fitness, social connection, and accessibility for all ages and skill levels. Pickleball improves cardiovascular health, reflexes, and muscle strength while burning up to 600 calories per hour. It's not just about fitness. Pickleball creates a vibrant community where you can make new friends and strengthen bonds. The sport is incredibly easy to learn and play, with low equipment costs and minimal space requirements. Pickleball's universal appeal spans generations, bringing families together and offering adaptive options for those with physical disabilities. Experience the joy of outdoor activity, relieve stress, and boost your mental health. Join the pickleball revolution and start playing today.